everyone, I'm Dr. Charu from Delhi, and I'm here to share my experience about Study Smartly, from where I recently took an online IELTS preparation course. As a dentist planning to go abroad for further studies, mastering the English language was a crucial step in my journey. I can't express how grateful I am and the experience I had with Leesha ma'am, as it was truly personalized and the content was really comprehensive along with her teaching methods adopted by her, which were both engaging and effective, resulting in a score of 7.5 in my first attempt. So, if you are like me and looking for an institute that understands your specific needs, I highly recommend Study Smartly.